How to log in your account on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the Fiverr app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on sign in. In order to sign in into your account, you need to create an account first. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you fill up the details, click on continue. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna log in our account on Fiverr application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.